just in case. I could probably do with just one conditioner. I probably will. More room. So, hey, welcome back to me and Munchkin. I'm gonna show you in detail all of the toiletries that I'm taking with me to Vegas. So, if you like the video, please hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with us on other adventures we're doing. Okay, to start off, let's do, okay, so I have my TSA-approved toiletries bag. I have my makeup essentials that I'm packing the day of we're leaving. I have my other bathroom bag, and I have another bathroom bag that folds up really nice and neat with this one. In this, it's a cute little carrying case. I actually got it from Wish. It's really cheaply made and super tiny, but it does hang up and I can put essentials in it. Normally, I would pack my shampoo and everything in here, but since we're flying, it has to go in that TSA bag. So in this, the very top here, this little zipper pocket, I have nail clippers, hair ties, and bobby pins. In the pocket that goes here, I have my deodorant, my boyfriend's deodorant, my razor, a little bag of Q-tips, and a bag of flossers, and miniature lint roller. I have pets. Hair's gonna get everywhere no matter how hard I try not to, so just so I don't look like the crazy cat lady, we have this. I also have fake lashes. Probably not gonna use them, but you never know. In this cute little zipper pocket, I have scrubby for me and scrubby for the boyfriend. I have makeup remover wipes and my toothbrush. So that all goes in that bag. Next up, my bathroom bag. In here, I have this bag. I actually got this from Ipsy. In here, I have lashes, more lashes. I'm probably gonna downsize that. And then I have jewelry. I have this long necklace that I'm taking, along with this shiny necklace. And I have a glittery choker thing. I may not wear it, but don't know. In this little jewelry bag, I have a pair of earrings. I have, it's all tangled. This might not have worked as good as I thought. I have this pretty little bracelet. And I have other earrings, rings, small stuff. Also in this bag, I have a hair clip because I need it when I straighten my hair. And I have all of my brushes. My essential makeup kit. This is all the makeup basically I'm taking with me. I have contour stick. I have eyeliner and brow pencil. I have eyeshadow. I have blush. I have a little eye palette, another little eyeshadow palette, and I have lipstick. Moving on to the big one. I got this bag, bought it on Amazon. It's TSA compliant, but it's a hard plastic, and the way it sits, it can hold so much more than just a quart size Ziploc baggie. Holds the same, but it just fits everything in a lot better and you can cram a lot more in it. So let's go through this one. I have 2 spare contacts. I have a little jar of little jar of moisturizing cream. I have my perfume. I have a little thing of mouthwash. lotion, toothpaste, face cleanser. I have this stuff. This stuff is awesome. It is Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel. If you have thick thighs like I do, it helps so awesome on keeping your thighs from chafing. Plus, bonus, it is the perfect face primer before you do makeup. I have huge pores. It covers up all the pores. I can use so much less foundation, concealer, because it doesn't, the foundation and the concealer doesn't have to fill up my pores before it actually covers my face. I have eye drops for contacts. I have Better Than Sex mascara in a little travel size. Let's see, this is more body lotion. I have contact solution, liquid eyeliner, miniature size poopery spray. You're sharing a hotel room with somebody, you want to use it, or even in regular stores, or not stores, regular bathrooms. Lip gloss, lip oil. I don't know if this is considered a liquid or a solid. It's from Sephora, so I'm just sticking it in because I had room. My foundation, I transferred it to this itty bitty little case, and it's more than enough for what I need for 5 days. This is Clinique Moisture Surge, and I really like it, and it's in a super itty bitty case. I have this Motion Ease that I got from Walmart. It's basically essential oils, but it's for motion relief sickness, but it also helps with anxiety, and I have issues with that, so I'm bringing that. Prescription eye drops in case I get an eye infection. I'm prone to do that. I have, in this little travel thing, I put in my Just Feet cream. They don't make it anymore. Sally Hansen had it, and so I put some in this. Basically, it's got caffeine and other stuff, and you rub it on your feet or your legs after walking around all day, and almost instantly takes away any pain and swelling. So the next day, your feet don't hurt. Found this when we were going to Disney World, and we'd walk for 10, 17 miles a day, and this works amazing. And then last but not least, I have 1 shampoo and 2 conditioners. My hair's thick and I like to use a lot of conditioner, so just in case, I could probably do with just 1 conditioner. I probably will. More room. So that is all the toiletries that I'm taking along with me. I don't need to take any hair products. I'm just taking my brush and my hair straightener, and that's usually all that I need. So that's it. I hope you can downsize all of your toiletries as much as I have, and that way you have more room in your suitcase for souvenirs to bring home or whatever else you want to bring. So I'll see you next time.